Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, July 23rd. Wow, getting to the end of the month here. Hey, we got just a couple of economic news releases scheduled for today, but they are pretty relative here. We got the weekly jobless claims, which last week we had 281,000, and forecasts were supposed to be in that same range of 22. This is kind of where we've been using for the last like 5 months or so. And it dropped all the way down to 255. So that's great news there. It dropped 26,000 fewer people applying for unemployment this past week. So that's the lowest we've seen for quite some time here. So this is great news that the job market looks like it's getting a foothold of where things should be. And then also we got the leading indicators, which are still showing some strong numbers. So back in May, we had 0.7% growth, which kind of shows us forecast of where the future economy where it's moving. And for the month of June, it increased to 0.6. So this is good numbers that we're looking at here today. So good overall numbers here. So let's go ahead and take a look here at headline news. And the stock market's down. So even though those were good news, it's taken its cue more from the Q2 earnings reports of some of the major corporations. So there's a couple that came in, earnings reports came in disappointing. So and that's where the stock market's really taken its cue today. Bond market, as a result, we've actually are up. So we pulled back a little bit yesterday, as you can see, as we touched the 50-day moving average with that little wick and pulled back. Today we're resting on the 50-day moving average. We kind of went up and down. So when you get that starry effect, the market's trying to gauge as to which direction we go. So it will be important to see if we close above that, and if we, the next day, Monday, if we could stay above that. So if we could stay that could become a strong floor of support for us where we could boost this up and have improvement in our interest rates. So let's see if we can continue with the better rates here. All right, so today a little bit of improvement in our pricing compared to where we left off yesterday. All right, so as we said, this is going to be important here because we got the 50-day moving average, that black line where we're kind of touching against. As you can see along the black line there, back like July 8th, we touched when we pulled back when we went downwards and rates worsened. So now we're working way back up and we're touching again, and which has been kind of a strong resistance. We'll see if we can make it past it this next time around. All right, folks. Hey, have a wonderful day so far. Sorry for the late recording here. Again, I'm on kind of vacation here for the next 2 weeks, and just want to get this out for you guys so at least you guys can see what's going on with the markets and what's driving interest rates today. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.